Do you want to learn how to delete or remove a repost on Bluesky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to the Bluesky app on your mobile phone or the website. And over here, find the post that you want to repost. So let's say for example, I have this post here. I will click on this button to do a repost or quote post. The quote post works exactly like you have created a post, but you're just quoting this post. So in that case, you can delete it by clicking here and deleting it. But what we are going to do is repost it, the first one. Let's click here and it's going to repost it. So now if I go over to my profile page, let's refresh this. I'll find that post reposted on my post page on my profile. Now, many people have this question that they are not able to delete this post from their profile page. So there is no option here. By clicking on these three dots, there is no option here to delete the post. So instead of that, what you have to do is click here once again, and then you will have an option to undo the post, undo repost. Just click here. And now if I refresh, I'm going to find that that repost is now gone from my profile page. Now, if I go back to home page and I do a quote post, just type something, post it. Now, if I go to my profile page, I'll find that post here. Now, in this case, because it acts as if I have created a post, I can delete it by clicking on these three dots and delete post. Just click on delete, and that's it. This is how to delete or remove a repost or quote post on Bluesky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.